In order to get the Samsung Messages app on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to go to the store, the Galaxy Store app. You can find it on the home screen by default or in the app drawer. We need to use a Samsung account. That is, you need to have a Samsung account in order to be able to access the Galaxy Store. But of course, you can make an account completely for free. Now here in the upper right corner, we have this magnifying glass, so we're gonna use it in order to start searching. Over here at the bottom, we have the search field, and we can type Samsung Messages. There we go, let's use the suggestion. And here we have the download button on the right side, or you can tap on the app itself in order to find the install button here at the bottom of the screen. And once the app is installed, we should be able to open it from the Galaxy Store app, or of course, let's say from the app drawer. And that's pretty much it. Of course, if you open it for the first time, you will have to set it up if you actually want to use it. So we need to grant all the necessary permissions that appear over here. We need to press on OK. We need to switch from Google Messages to the Samsung Messages app. So once you select Messages over here, you want to tap on Set as Default. And now you can actually use the Samsung Messages app. Leave a like and subscribe.